Hi everybody! Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're doing the second installment of the workshop makeover, and we're going to be working on this wall. So this one's going to be a lot more work than the last one. We've got a lot of stuff to move out of the way, and then we're going to paint the wall and kind of reorganize everything and put it back. By the time it's done, this place should look a lot different. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Just like in the last video, I'm starting off by pulling everything away from the wall and doing some organizing at the same time. Next, I dust off the wall and fill in any holes in preparation for painting. I covered painting in my last workshop makeover, so if you haven't seen that one, I'll link it below. And for this video, we're going to experiment with some fun transitions instead. I cleared off all the surfaces and dusted, and now I'm organizing the tools by type with the heavier items towards the bottom for stability. If you have any tips in regards to editing, I'd love to hear them in the comments. For now, I'm just experimenting to see what works for my videos. I'm adding a liner to the bottom of these well-loved shelves. This will protect the tools and will also protect the shelves from any further damage. Then I'm organizing the items as sensibly as I can. I'm intentionally leaving some empty space so if a tool or product is acquired in the future, it will have a home too. So for our next step, I'm going to be painting this ladder. Originally I was tying with the idea of leaving it its natural shade, but as you can kind of see, there's some green, some red, and even a little bit of blue now that's been deposited on it over time. So I think I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole thing the same color as I did the back wall, which is a bit of a darker shade of blue. I think it'll contrast nicely and give it a bit of depth. So let's get into it. You can see me looking over my shoulder here. That's to make sure I'm still filming. Part of the painting didn't record, so I only have footage of the awkward bit at the top. At this point, it's kind of becoming a signature style in my videos, and it's definitely something I'll be making a priority to improve. Ideally, I'd be using some painter's tape, but the colors are pretty similar, and there's a bit of a gap between the wall and the ladder. I had faith in my precision, but I ended up cleaning a little bit off the wall anyways. Next, we're going to change some outlets that are looking a little bit old. I'm no way a professional at doing anything with electricity, so I would definitely consult a professional if you have anything that needs done and you don't have experience in this. I really would have liked to do both parts of the outlet, as well as the light switches, but I need to pick up a few pieces to complete that, so I'll be covering that more in part 3. Now I'm going to spend some time organizing the drawers of this desk. After clearing everything out, my plan is just to have things that are good to have on hand. In the top drawer, I'm going to keep safety equipment. And then in the second drawer, I'm going to keep stuff to make dowel pins from maple. I find the live edge looks really nice. Then I'm going to have some cleaning supplies. And also sandpaper for the belt sanders. So I really hope you like this video. Although it's pretty short, it actually took me many hours to accomplish. I edited a lot of it out to make it more interesting, so please consider hitting the like button, it really helps my channel out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for part 3. Bye!